Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a St. Beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty, and I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing my updated Stitch Fix box. So if you have no idea what Stitch Fix is, it is a subscription service where I have a stylist that will pick out clothes for me. They will send it to me. I will try it on. Anything I like, I'll purchase. Anything I don't like, I will send back. So this is probably my fourth or fifth box that I have gotten from Stitch Fix, and out of all the subscription services that I have done, Stitch Fix is by far my favorite. I feel like their prices are really they're good. I never feel like they're price gouging. I feel like the stylists are really good and I get like what I want, and their app is really simple. I can go into their app and I can select styles that I really like, and I feel like my stylist actually looks at those and gives me stuff that I will wear. So every single time I have done one of these boxes, I've ended up purchasing more than what I would, what I intend to. And I have actually purchased some, I think one or two of the 4 boxes that I've gotten, I've actually purchased every single thing in the box. You do get a discount if you purchase everything, and it's pretty significant, but it's like I think it can range anywhere between like $2 and $2.50 for the whole box, where you're getting a lot of pieces. So I think the last box I did was sometime in October. It was like fall. I took a break, and that's the other thing I really like about them is you can take a break. You don't have to cancel anything. You can just go ahead and skip it, and you can say, I want to resume in February or March or wherever it is. So I will probably do this one, and then I will probably take another break until right before summer, so I can kind of spruce up my summer wardrobe. But that's what I like about it. There's no penalties, there's no fees or anything like that. So I will link their website down below, and I have a coupon code to get you guys some money off in case you're interested if you have your first box. So definitely use that to save some money, and let's go ahead and see what is in this box. I'm very excited. Oh, the other thing I forgot to tell you before I do that, they do give you a preview of what's in your box, which I like because I don't want to waste my time in getting boxes or getting items that I already have in my collection that I don't really need. So they will actually send you the profile first and say, these are the items that your stylist has selected. Do you like them? And so you can actually go through and say no, and then you give feedback. So they have different categories where you say, no, I already have that, something like that, or no, I don't like it, or, no, whatever, and you can leave comments. So I really like that, so the stylist can kind of understand what your thought process is so that they can use that for future boxes. So I have already selected what it is, but I'll be honest with you, I can't remember what I selected, so we're gonna remember together, or it's gonna be a new thing for both of us. So let's go ahead and get into it. So one thing they always do is they always package the return stuff. So it's really easy to return stuff. You go through what you want on the box, you select what you want to return, you shove it in this bag, and you drop it off at the post office. Super easy. And then what they will do is they will charge your credit card on file with the stuff that you actually purchase. The other thing that they give in your box is there will be a little note from the stylist and kind of tell you like, hey, these are why they picked out the certain items, what you can go with, and then they'll give you outfit selections of like things that will work with it. The other thing they included is the 2024 tips or trends, the style forecast and everything. Y'all, I ain't on trends, so I don't even want to look at that because if you're looking for on-trend stuff, this is not the channel for you because I just like fly by the seat of my pants. I'm wearing this shirt that is 15 years old. Calvin Klein's still around, right? I don't even know. But the other thing that they do is they will package everything up, and then they will give you what the prices are for each of the items so that you know how much everything is. And then, for example, this whole box is $378. If I buy all of it, I get 25% off, which is $94.50. And I've already paid my $20 styling fee edit. That is all you pay. So if I choose not to do anything in this box, the only thing I pay is the $20, that styling fee, and I can ship everything back. So they deduct that because I've already paid it. Shipping is free. And so if I decide to choose every single thing in this box, it is going to be $263.50, which I know is a lot, but these are really nice items. And again, they're like style pieces that you can style together. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. Didn't even realize I got shoes, but I'm so excited I did. These are absolutely sorry. Welcome.
I didn't mean to
got attacked on camera.
I thought you were like done.
No, I was talking to my followers right here.
Sorry.
I'm so excited about this box, you guys. I don't know, we'll see. So this is the first thing. This one is, what is this one? This is the Mark & Spruce blouse. It retails for $49, which honestly and truly is a little bit expensive for a sweater, but you guys, it feels amazing. It is thick, it is quality. I love the way that it's kind of fitted, but it's not super, super tight. It is so soft. I love the way it hits. It's just super, super cute. So I'm loving this. The other thing, these are the Cosmic Blue boyfriend jeans. I'm a size 10. They're a little snug because I gained 15 pounds since the last time I updated my profile, but they're fine. Okay, so here are the jeans. They're rolled up. I'm not sure if I like them. I have to go into the mirror and kind of see, but they do make my butt look very voluptuous. They retail for $88. These Keds also came in them. I love Keds. I am a sucker for these type of Keds. These Keds are the Kickstart Performance Sneaker in Light, and they're $65, which is normally what Keds run for anyways. So I really, really like them. They're a little bit tight, but for whatever reason, Keds are tight when you first get them. These are the Keds that I normally get. So I purchased these Keds. Now these aren't the Kickstarters or whatever, but they're a very similar style. I have like 10 pairs of these. I constantly purchase them because they're white, and then I just bleach them, and then when they get yucky, I break out another pair. So I'm just always having them, but I think these are really, really cute. So I'm loving this outfit. I think it's cute. Jeans are comfortable. Love it. So here are the second pair of jeans. They are also by the same company, Cosmic Blue Love. They also retail for $88. They're a little bit darker, which I like. I think they look super, super cute. They are still very, very comfortable. They got a stretch, but they also do have a little bit of compression in them, so I think that's good. The only thing is they came kind of rolled like this, and to me, honestly, I don't particularly like it because I feel like the color just makes me look really, really short. Like it's darker and then it's got that, wide seam. I think it looks funny, but these are definitely one, like these I kind of tucked under. I would get these hemmed because I think it looks better than the rolled on here. But to me, these will be, I can see these being like my standard jeans that I wear to the office with a cute blazer on. They have a little bit of distressing like right here, but not bad at all. But they're definitely just a pair of jeans that I can see going into the office, going to something a little bit nicer, if you will, but throwing a blazer and a little cami under and being super, super cute. So I like them. The last thing I got was this right here. This is a Evolution by Cyrus fuzzy sweater. This retails for $88. Oh my gosh, you guys. If I could have you feel this sweater, it is magical, magical. It is so soft. It's soft on the outside, but it's also soft on the inside. It is this glorious pattern right here, but I have to go find a shirt to go under it. So I'm gonna be right back and we're gonna see. The biggest thing, the only challenge I have with this is I really don't know what shirt to wear under it. I wish she would have given me something like options. Actually, let's see right here. So here they show like a white shirt, a jumper with black jumpsuit with spaghetti straps. So this is, I throw on the shirt. I have this that I used the other day. It wasn't dirty. I hung it back up. It's a little bit wrinkly, but I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love the length. I love that it has pockets. I love this little detail right here. I love that it's heavy, but it's not, it's like, it has a good weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel chintzy. It's magical. I feel like I'm wearing a blanket. I can see this being a staple piece for every single day at my job because we keep our house very, very cold. We don't turn on the heat. And so in the dead of winter, it's freezing and I have a little space heater. I feel like I could wear this and not have to put the space heater on and dry out my face. It is So warm, but so comfortable, and it's cute. Look at how cute it is. Look at my outfit. I'm wearing this today. Like, this is adorable. Oh my gosh. So, let me brighten you up. Okay. So, love the two jeans. I think I could definitely wear them. I love that. I love this. I love the sweater, and I love the kids. So I will be purchasing this whole box for $263, which is a lot. It's a lot. I'm going to be completely honest, but I got two jeans. I got a sweater. I've got two outfits basically. This thing is super versatile. That sweater will go with everything. These shoes will go with everything. Everything I have will go with everything that I have, and I can mix and match it, and I feel like it's a really good deal. So can't say enough good things about Stitch Fix. Like I mentioned before, I do have a coupon code for you to save money on your first box. So I will put that down in the description box. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have ever tried Stitch Fix, please leave your comments below. Let other viewers know what your experience is. If you felt like they did a good job, if you felt the pieces were quality. This is just my opinion. I have not one thing bad to say about Stitch Fix, but would love other viewers to chime in because this is just my opinion. But hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Until next time, bye.